Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NERV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. First area of support that really stands out, and there's nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact of where the bleeding stopped on two separate occasions was right down there at essentially $5.30. So that's a key level of support for that reasoning. It stopped bleeding there twice, but that's also an interesting level from a technical pattern perspective, because I try to emphasize the word twice, because right now we have in play a potential, what we would call in the world of charts, a double bottom pattern, meaning that twice it's hit right there, it's bounced, and now going forward, it's a question of, hey, is this double bottom in play? Is there going to be some sort of continuation to the upside on the bounce? Now, a very quick way to, get a no to that answer would be if the price just rolls back over and then crashes down through this level at 530, because at that point, this would no longer be a double bottom if the price is all of a sudden at new lows, right? Hopefully that's common sense there. But if the price is, like I said, if 530 is the true level of support and there is a double bottom bounce underway, let's map out where some potential areas of resistance may be residing. The key level of resistance to keep an eye on if there is going to be any sort of worthwhile bounce that gets underway, initial level right there at 575. And then a 575 can be broken. Next key level, not up until right around $6. So there's definitely some room for this thing to run. I mean, when you have a 25-cent space between these areas of resistance, and 25 cents on a $100 stock doesn't seem like much, but when we're talking about a sub $10 stock, that makes a pretty big difference. So keep your eye on these levels going forward. But yeah, there's no doubt about it. A bounce is underway, and it's happened after that double bottom formation. So we'll see if this is the start of something much bigger or not. As always, risk management matters, but let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.